A package has arrived. I wonder who it's from. Wow. It's actually 2 packages, y'all. So I'm about to open them up gently. What is this? Oh, True Religion. I like that. Okay. These are hangers. See that? Okay. So then, boom. You know what I'm saying? You got some hangers. Okay. All right, we're about to sound it off. A 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3. Well, that is it for now, folks. At this time, I must go, but I'll be back with another one. Unpacking a box, sharing love and my thoughts. I hope your day is filled with lots of fun. I always end it like that now. I want to end it a different way, like, I hope your day is filled with lots of fun. Or, I hope your day is filled with lots of fun. Y'all have a good day. Bye.